Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. Today, I'm going to show you a new product I just got in. This is a premium grill set from Grillaholics. And I tell you what, this is a beautiful set of grill tools. We're going to open it up, let y'all see it. I'm just going to reverse the order of how I did it when I first got them. But I'm going to open them up, let you see them. And I tell you what, folks, this is a nice set of grill tools. You can see it comes in a nice little box, has Grillaholics on it, right there. So let's open our box up. Beautiful box to keep these stored in. And I tell you what, these are beautiful brushed stainless steel. These are, I'd call these an heirloom set. They look like they're built like a tank. The brush, I'm not sure about the brush and the angle of it. That's the only thing I would look at and say, I mean, it's strong. I mean, I'm a grown man. I could bend it if I tried, but it's big, it's heavy duty. This, I think it's called pack of wood brush. The brass accents on the brush, leather strap. Just a very nice brush. Set that to the side. A spatula. This spatula, you pick something up with it, it's going to pick it up. There's no doubt. You can get under something very heavy. I wish I had a weight or something out here to lift up with it, but beautiful Grillaholics emblem on the front. Grillaholics, turn it around where you can see it. Printed on the back, brushed stainless, beautiful wood. But that is, again, a nice tool for the grill. And I tell you what, they say, you get what you pay for. These are not a cheap set. These are really $120. So they are very nice. I bet you could get these, and if you got them and then had somebody's name engraved in them, this would make a I mean, that'd be a nice gift anyways to that grill person that doesn't have the right, that needs something. But you could engrave in that stainless steel, and this would be an heirloom that you could really, I believe, pass down to somebody. Tips are not overly sharp. They were covered. I thought they may be pointed, but they're not. But a pretty, very nice fork. And then the tongs. And again, they're loose. They'll open up wide. Lift them. They hold shut. But they're a nice set. I think very sturdy. I'm sure that I could bend those if I tried. I'm a big guy, so I think I could. But very nice. Y'all are going to be seeing me using these a lot. I'll put a link down below so you can go look at these. But getting time for Christmas, perfect Christmas gift for that pit guy that you don't know what to get him. He has everything. He may not have a set of beautiful tools like this for the grill. And again, the brass accents are on all of them with the leather straps to hang them with. But I tell you what, just a very nice set of tools I got in. Just to let y'all know, they did send these to me. So I haven't used them yet. And I don't know how they're going to work out. But the first impression is very nice, very sturdy. They're going to hold up. They are definitely a beautiful set. I like the wooden box that they come in, so you have a place to store these. We can slide the lid back on. There you have it. Nice set, nice box. It's just, it would be a beautiful gift. I would love to get these as a gift. They're definitely heavy duty. They're definitely top notch, top of the line. I don't think I've seen another set to match up to them. But anyways, put a link down below. Y'all can check them out in Amazon and see if there's something, maybe your special person or yourself. You want to treat yourself to a nice set of grill tools. These are great. But anyways, thanks to Grillaholics for sending these over here for me. And hope y'all like them. If you do, give me that thumbs up. Let me know about it. I'll have this down below. And you can find them, look at them for yourself. But thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. I always do appreciate it. I hope you like this product review. I'm going to be doing more product reviews, I think, show y'all some of the items I cook with. Let you see them, let you see what you think about them. But anyways, thanks for being here. I always appreciate it. We'll see you down the road on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine.